Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get ancient scrap in Windrose. Now on my map right now, I'm on the very first cursed swamp region on my world. If you're trying to learn where you can find this place, first off, over on your discovery right here, you need to have defeated the local threat over on the foothills area. As long as you follow the main quest, you'll be able to find Israel Hands right here, and once you defeat him, you're more than likely going to follow a series of quests until eventually you're going to get the Forgotten Relics questline. Once you've received the Forgotten Relics quest, it's going to place a pin on your map, and more than likely you're going to your very first cursed swamp on your world. Now in my current location right now, on an unmarked area on this swamp, I found the ancient debris right over here, and also a little bit right next here. Make sure to bring an iron pickaxe for you to harvest this. And as you can see right there, I got 4 pieces of ancient scraps. And this one should yield me a little bit more. And there you go, I got a total of 16 ancient scraps. Now, for you to be able to find even more ancient scraps on the map, you can also find it over here on the ancient debris site. However, this is pretty much an infested area. I would recommend bringing a miner's sun ring. Alright, now on the ancient debris site, try not to stay for too long in this area, because you will accumulate plague. So now try to look around the area to see if there are some ancient debris that you can collect. And right over here is some ancient debris. Now because you are only going to be there for a limited amount of time, try to get as many ancient scraps as possible. And that's pretty much about it on how to get ancient scraps in Windrose.